Hi, I'm Heidi Thompson, General Manager of Lichtsinn RV, and recently the kids of Lichtsinn RV have been spending a lot of time at home. So we had to ask them, if you could, where would you go in an RV? And here are their answers.
If you could go anywhere in a camper, where would you go?
A water park.
Reagan, if you could go anywhere in a camper, where would you go? Huh? Where would you go?
But first a water park.
You're both gonna go to a water park?
Yeah.
I would like to go to Florida.
I would like to go to Spring, Texas to meet Simone Biles' gym and work out with her. And Wrigley would like to go to Chicago to Wrigley Field.
I would go in an RV to Adventureland to go camping.
Where would you go in an RV? Where would you go? Would you go anywhere that this was? That's what I thought.